Hello.
Hey, we're at Pembroke Castle and we missed the tours because Hannah's really slow.
I mean, and the last free tour was at 1:45.
So we're going to have to pay for a private tour
We're
bring you with us.
Private tour. We've only got 2 hours because we were 10p short of the 5 hour. It was only £1 for 5 hours or 60p for 2, which I don't really think works out because I had 90p. I put it all in and I miscounted. I'm pretty sure it miscounted it, to be honest, when I put it in, but it wouldn't let me count the money. But it's all gone terribly wrong today.
Well, anyway, let's get to the castle now. Bye. No. Where's Hannah going? She's not following me. She's just looking deep. No.
I'm sorry.
Here we go. Is this where King Henry VII was born? Yep. 1457.
Founder of the Michael-Tudor dynasty was born here at Pembroke Castle on the 28th of January 1457.
This is pretty cool. Just looking over. Oh, she's gone. Oh,
no.
Gonna go in the dungeon if you're not careful.
No.
Right, this way. Having to breakfast. It's so confusing. I don't know. Hello. Again, we are very high up now. Come to Wales, go to Pembroke Castle. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. It's really easy to get up, but
They're very comfortable. Oh, that's cool.
Hello, welcome to Pembroke Castle.
You're hired. Oh, it's dark.
Hello.
Going into Wogan Cavern.
Yeah.
Been quite looking forward to this. Although I don't know if I've bigged up my expectations of what is actually in here.
It's from the Middle Stone Ages. And cave dwellers used to live in here.
It's my siblings, my brethren, my kin. Cave dwellers come to me. God, it's a long way down.
It's a long way down. It's a cabin.
Down to the cave dwellers. Oh.
What?
Please take care. Uneven ground. And here is the Wogan Cavern. God damn.
Oh, wow. It's huge. God, I didn't expect it to be this big.
Oh, birds.
I see, so they could have brought boats and stuff on here.
And hello again. That's FaceTime today. Now we're over in Stackpole National Trust Park.
No, we're not actually in Stackpole yet.
Going up to Stackpole Quay. I'm going to go and see Barafundle, which is rated as one of the best picnic spots in the world. Can't see you. Oh, just a bit of head. Oh, what is this? Advertising. Welcome to Nature with Yannah. Today we see Barafundle, whatever it was called.
Whatever it was called. Wow, what a presenter. Also, it's windy. Bye.
Bye.
How you liking the walk?
It's good, yeah.
It's a nice walk. We've been saying that everything we do is like a quest. And right now we haven't got any quests, we're just walking around looking for side quests. Oh, come on, you just said it. So rude. Wow.
Whose birthday, girl? You quarter a century, you're getting old. See those trees? That's like half a century. And you're half a tree now.
No, I'm not half a tree.
So we are up before sunrise. As you can see, the sun's still coming up. And
definitely not setting.
No. So we're just wandering through the woodlands. Got a picnic bag here, right there. Yep, that's it. Picnic bag.
It's wet.
No, it's fine. We've got to walk up that to siege the castle. Came to Wales to claim lots of castles for our own, because funnily enough, a lot of them are quite empty, and I'm pretty sure there's some old medieval law that if the castle's empty and you're in it, and your last one's there, then it's yours. Gonna find a nice little spot, have some food, not get stung by stinging nettles, and celebrate Hannah's birthday, and see the sunset over Brecon Beacon. Where are we at?
I don't know. Do you? Do you know what the castle's called?
Carreg Castle.
Don't think it's Carreg.
Carreg Castle. Look at this view. See it, but oh
no. Oh no. Oh, I feel like this is too many sparklers. The middle one's gonna be gone before the others.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hannah. Happy birthday to you. Woo. Oh, look at you. Really go blow them out. Oh, that was a good shot. Oh, that was one. The last one. Oh, and pathetic. Oh, that was good. That was good.
You can't actually blow them out and start
It's gonna get you. No. Yeah, I wasn't supposed to use them all.
What a shot.
And that's how Yannah does birthday cakes. I'm gonna cut it. Quick, get a knife.
Oh, I would like to dedicate this to Gimbal for a very nice birthday week.
Aww.
Oh, absolutely beautiful. Could it be any better? How much do you want? 25 then.
You are 25 slices.
Cuts into 25 bits and eat it all in 25 minutes.
25 shots.
Oh, it's
Right.
not already nice.
Already
Welcome
is.
to our cottage. We never really showed you.
Nah.
Please. It's not the right size plate.
Thanks.
You'd be
Thanks for
joking.
watching. I'm drunk.
Bye.
Drunk on red velvets.